Hey everybody, it's Gina from Auntie Gina's Cucina. Tonight I'm gonna make roasted cauliflower. A little different. It was kind of a small cauliflower, so I cut it up. I just started with, I cored the base and then break off piece by piece. Some of them that are a little big, I cut them in half. Or you can just buy the bag of pre-cut cauliflower, which is probably the easiest thing to do. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I love this little machine. Look at that. Just pop them in and it does all the work for you. And you get mussels. All right. And then you just scrape them all off. All right. See? And you don't get your hands all yucky. Well, not much, but. So I'm gonna get my hands dirty another way. And then I'm just gonna pour the olive oil over it. So, and then just toss it around. Whoop, we got a jumper. So. And now, you see, see this one's got a big chunk of garlic. Kind of flick it off. So, and then just place it. I have the oven preheating at 350. All right. And for now, I'm placing them all together. So this way, watch this. All right. And then just scrape the inside of the bowl and just drizzle it all over everything. And bake. Bake it for about 15 minutes first and see what they look like. Come back. I'll show you what they look like. All right, everybody. 15 minutes. See, they're nice and brown. Now, just sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on each one. All right. And then pop it in the oven for about 5 more minutes so the cheese melts into the cauliflower and you'll see how delicious it is. I'll show you what they look like. All right, everybody. See? All nice. And I'm going to tell you, it is so delicious. Make this dish. Your family will love it as much as mine does. See you next time.